How do we perceive different colors, the small bit from the lenses? How do we see colors? So students, we know that the retina of our eye made up of the special photoreceptor cells. These cells are called rod cells and cone cells that detect the light as enter in our eye. So these are the rod cells and cone cells and rod cells, which gives us rod cells and cone cells which detect the light enter in our eyes. Photoreceptor cells, rod cell and cone cells, these are the photoreceptor cells. That means these are light sensitive cells which are present in our retina, and these cells are shaped like rod, so these are known as rod cells, and these are shaped like cones, so these are known as cone shaped cells. Rod cells. Rod cells responds to the intensity of the light. That means these cells provide how the light is bright or how the light is dim. That means brightness and dimness of the light. This information provided by the rod cells, as well as it responds to the faint light also. Then next type of the cells are known as cone cells. These responds to the color and give the information about color of the object to the brain. Cone cells are specialized for observing the color and distinguishing color of the object, so that this information is passes up to the brain through the optic nerves. Then brain interprets the information and gives the actual image, size and as well as color of an object to the us. These cone cells respond differently to the red, green and blue colors. What is color blindness? Color blindness is the inability of the human eyes to perceive the red, blue or green colors. So students, we know that color blindness, the patient who is suffered from the color blindness, this person cannot distinguish clearly the red, blue or green colors. These persons cannot recognize those colors or cannot distinguish between the different colors. These persons are said to have the color blind. Apart from not being able to distinguish between the different colors, their eyesight is normal. That means the persons who are suffering from the color blindness, their eyesight is normal eyesight. See here, this is the normal eyesight. Color blind person also are having the normal eyesight. They are also having normal eyesight, but they can't distinguish the different colors. So these people are known as color blind people. Color blindness is not a form of blindness, but is a deficiency of the way the person sees the colors. That means when a person doesn't have complete chromatic vision, missing one or two or three cones, red, blue or green.